read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is rhyming word. Expected learning outcome. The student is expected recognize and say rhyming words like this. Head, bed. H-A-D, head. B-ed, bed. R-ed, red. And fan. P and pan. Wow, fat cat. Fat cat has a hat. Hat, hat. Cat, cat. Next, bee. B-E-B, tree. T-R-E, tree. Zip, dip. Z-ip, zip. D-ip, dip. Dog, dog, dog. Frog, f-r-og, frog. And hen, p and pan. Ish, fish, d-ish, dish. These are rhyming words. Their ending sounds are same. That's why they are called rhyming words. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.